Alright guys, so I'm back right now. It's been about a month since I did an unboxing, and the past month I've been really testing it out, really trying to get a well-rounded opinion on these headphones. So yeah, right now I'm just going to talk about some of the things I really love about this headphone and some of the things I think it wasn't so good or it could be improved upon. Now straight off the bat guys, I have to say that these headphones are really awesome. Now, I'm actually not being paid at all, so these impressions or my opinions are totally my own, and I think they're pretty objective. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and start things off by talking about the pros of these headphones. Now first up, they are really lightweight, and to have these headphones that are going around your neck, sometimes it can be bothersome, sometimes it can be cumbersome and all of that, kind of heavy. You kind of feel like there's a noise in the way. However, I did use them for a few weeks at work doing editing, browsing YouTube, stuff like that, right? And I'd leave, go on the road, do some other stuff, and I wouldn't even remember that I had them on around my neck. That's how lightweight they are. They're not cumbersome at all, and that's one of the things I really love about them. And if that's something that you're worried about when it comes to headphones, then rest assured that these headphones, you have nothing to worry about in that regards. All right, now moving on to the next point, and that is portability. All right, now as I said before, it is very lightweight, and that makes it very portable as well. Also, it comes with a really nice soft carrying pouch that I really love, and that makes it even more portable. The pouch here has a kind of leathery feel to it. It has a nice little drawstring, keeping your headphones really safe and secure. Now with me, I toss this in my backpack every day to go to work, and I have no problems with it being crushed, tangled, or anything like that. All right, so I definitely love that about these headphones. Now one thing I really like about these headphones are how they are designed. All right, I really do like the colors here, the white, the gold aesthetic. I really do dig that. It has a nice clean look to it. It's not really overpowering with a lot of branding and all of that. It has a little sort of branding here and there, but it's not too overpowering. It's not like big letters all over the place, so I do appreciate that. I like the texture of it. I like the quality. It doesn't seem like it's very flimsy. It's not hard plastic like it's gonna break or chip or anything like that. Now the material that makes up the neckband is kind of a rubbery type of material. Now with this, you're able to have it be way more durable because you can twist it, turn it. It's not gonna break anything at all. So I mean, even though we're not gonna twist and turn our headphones, we might have kids or siblings that might, you know, play with their stuff, and you don't have to worry that it's going to be damaged or anything like that if you leave it laying around the house and some little toddler, you know, takes it up or anything like that. So I definitely love the design of these. Now if you look at the top here around the neckband, you kind of see a groove where you can put the strings for the earphones in there. However, one thing I would really like is if you were able to kind of clip them together or kind of have them more secure. So for example, when I'm at work, I'm just leaving work, I'm going to put them in the bag and go home. Now sometimes it kind of fumbles all over the place, and I do wish there was a little clip or something to kind of strap the earphones to the neckband. I would really appreciate that. Now I might be nitpicking just a little bit, but I think something like that could just make it, you know, bring it to the next level and kind of just, you know, keep us users in mind, because we are using these devices every day. So, you know, having these little earphones like dangling all over the place, sometimes it's a bit annoying, you know, but it's not a big deal. But that's just something I would kind of think about for the next version of it. Now these headphones boast up to 20 hours of continuous play, and I can safely say guys that the battery life on these are absolutely fantastic. All right, now I've had these for about a month or a little over a month, and I've been using them for about 2 weeks, pretty much 5 days a week, and I think I went about 2 weeks without having to charge them. And for the whole time that I've had them, which is over a month, I've only had to charge it twice. So if battery life is something that you are worried about when it comes to your Bluetooth devices, maybe you're like me and you really hate having to charge your devices every single time because, you know, we have no headphone jack on the Pixel 2, so we have to use a Bluetooth headphone, then you don't have to worry about these headphones because the battery life, as I said before, is very long. Now also, it can connect to up to 2 devices simultaneously. All right, so imagine you're connected to 2 devices and the battery life is that impressive. Come on guys, that says a lot. All right, now that other point, as I said before, it can connect to up to 2 devices, which is something I really love. All right, now, it's very convenient having it been able to connect to 2 devices at the same time, because for me, I use my laptop pretty much every day, all throughout the day, and I do have my phone as well. So let's say I'm at work and I'm just, you know, on YouTube watching videos, not really doing much work. Just kidding. But yeah, I'm on YouTube watching stuff and a call comes in. All I need to do is just go ahead and answer the phone on the headphones themselves, and that's it. My phone could be somewhere over there charging, whatever. All right, it comes in quick and easy, which I do love. Now, as I mentioned before, one of the really cool features about these headphones are that you're able to connect the two devices simultaneously. However, when it does come to Bluetooth connectivity, it kind of fumbles around sometimes. Sometimes if I connect it to one device and I connect it to the other, then the first one will drop off. Sometimes, you know, it's like I'm trying to connect to something that I've already paired to. It's not connecting. I'm not sure if this is really a issue on my end where it's my phone or my laptop, but I don't really think so because I have no problems with other Bluetooth devices. So the Bluetooth on this, while it works in long distances, just connectivity wise, sometimes it is a bit spotty. Now the Bluetooth version on this is version 4.1. So maybe with a new updated version of these headphones, you might get Bluetooth 5.0, which might be a little bit more stable. Alright, so after watching that video just now, I have to comment on the audio quality of these headphones. Alright, I have to admit they are really good. Like, they have blown me away. Now the clarity is definitely there. I could hear every single syllable that he said. I could hear his breathing. It was very clear. Everything was pretty crystal clear when it comes to these earphones. Also guys, the bass on this is dynamite. Like, it's really good. So it's very clear. The highs are there, the lows are there. It's a very well-rounded pair of earphones, and for it being a Bluetooth earphone at that, come on, it is by far really good. And if I had to give it a rating out of 10, I would probably give it a 9 out of 10. And the only thing I would deduct a point for is really just that Bluetooth connectivity thing that I told you before, where sometimes it's kind of hit or miss. But this is a really good pair of earphones, so definitely worth the money, guys. So yeah, that's my review of the Edifier W360BT Bluetooth headphones. All right, I'll put links in the description below of where you can get these to pick up. Now you guys may know me to have a lot of Edifier products, but that's because they are really good quality products and they are pretty affordable. I do love how they sound. They have a lot of bass to them, and I do appreciate the fact that they aren't having these exorbitant prices. They are pretty affordable for you average guys like myself. So yeah, I definitely hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, let me know by smashing that thumbs up button down below. All right, as always guys, thank you so much for watching. My name is DaKoin, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. See